Today, I'm going to show you an amazing 2-minute IQ option strategy that can give up to an 85% win rate. In this strategy, we are using the moving average, zigzag, super trend, and RSI indicators.
Follow my guide carefully to learn how this strategy works. Before we start the video, I have to say this clearly. I am using only a demo account on IQ Option. Please don't invest your hard-earned money just by watching this video. Binary options always carry a high risk of losing money, no matter how powerful the strategy looks. So please practice these strategies only on your demo account and check if they work for you.
Now, let's get into the video. First, search for zigzag and click on it. Now, change the percentage to 5. Next, to add the moving average, search for it and click on it. Change the period to 100, set to EMA, then search for the super trend indicator and change the period to 10 and the multiplier to 2 and click apply. Finally, search for the RSI indicator and set it to 14. Set the candle time to 1 minute. Now, let's see how the strategy works. First, you have to choose a market that is in a strong downtrend, like this one. Look at the red 100 EMA line. If the market candles are moving below this line, the overall trend is bearish. Then, check the super trend indicator. If it turns red and starts going down, that is another bearish signal. The zigzag line should also be moving downward, while the RSI should be below the 50 level. When all these indicators confirm the downtrend, you can enter a downside trade. The trade expiry time should be between 2 to 3 minutes. Remember, use this strategy only during a strong downtrend, so be patient and wait for the right moment. I hope you now have a clear understanding of how this strategy works. Now, let's put it into action on my IQ Option demo account, and you should practice this strategy on demo too. Alright, here, look. I'm opening a downside trade because the super trend line is red, the candles are below the red 100 EMA, the zigzag is moving downward, and the RSI is below 50. So all 4 indicators are giving us a bearish signal. Great! We won that trade. All right. Here, look, I'm opening an upside trade because the super trend line is green, the candles are above the red 100 EMA, the zigzag is moving upward, and the RSI is above 50. So all 4 indicators are giving us a bullish signal. So this is the strategy I wanted to show you. Practice this on your demo account and check if it works for you. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.